Jiggle jiggle, let's wiggle and giggle. Jiggle jiggle, let's wiggle and giggle.
Hi there, little friend. Look who's here. It's our 3 little friends. Can you wave your hand and say hi? Good job. Are you ready to play peekaboo? Come on, let's start. Soft ears and a wiggly nose. Look, it's our friend the rabbit. Can you wave your hand and say, hi, rabbit? Boing, boing, boing. Look at him hop. Rabbits love to eat crunchy orange carrots. Yummy. Wiggle that nose. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Now a big jump. Whee! He's so happy to play with you. Wait, where is he going? He's hiding. Which box did he pick? Watch closely. Let's find him together. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peekaboo, I see you. There's those long ears. See you next time, little rabbit. Keep going. You're going to explore more. Wag, wag, wag. Look at those floppy ears. It's our happy puppy. Can you wave and say, hi, puppy? Puppies are very friendly to us. They love us so much. Do you love puppies? Puppies can be trained well. They are the most obedient pet animal. Wait, is he going to hide? Which doghouse is he behind? Watch closely. Let's find him together. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peekaboo, I see you. There he is. See you next time, best friend. Double tap the screen to continue finding the animals. Waddle, waddle, look, it's our fluffy duckling. Can you say, hi, ducky? Some duckies are white and some are brown, just like his friends. Can you see them? Can you wiggle your wings? Wiggle, wiggle. Now a big spin. Quack, quack. He's so happy. Wait, where is he going? He's hiding. Watch closely. Let's find him together. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where are you, ducky? Peekaboo, I see you. Splash! There he is. See you next time.